I'm just going to use this and place it right there. I'm going to be using all these areas today. I'm going to use my hands to blend properly. I don't know, there's a thing about using my hand to blend. Or it's the perfect way for me. I know for other people, they might not like the idea of using their hands to blend. Let me just perfect. I'm going to try someday, when I'm not going out, I'm just doing my makeup at home. So now that we are done with our makeup, so I'm just going to get ready and come back. So this is the final look. I used this earring because it has some green and I like it so much. This is my jacket. So just gonna wear my perfume. So ready to go. This and I'm wearing this shoes just to make sure it's left and yep. I'm wearing this. So see you guys tomorrow, and of course we are going to watch the match. Come with me.